because I thought I lost them, but they were in my cluttered closet this entire time.
Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm doing a really fun video for you guys, and it's with my friend Rachel. She's asked me to come and help her declutter her bedroom. So we are gonna jump right into it and get decluttering. Tell us a little bit about your situation and why you want to declutter.
Well, I moved home from college about now a year ago exactly, and I brought all my college stuff back with me into my home room, and so I am looking to declutter all the old stuff, put the new stuff in, and just get a clean, fresh start.
Have you ever decluttered before or organized?
I've organized my room. My mom has always liked to come in and try to organize it herself, but I haven't really let her. But I've never fully decluttered or organized like you would be doing.
We just did a little walkthrough of her room, and she told me a few things that she wants to work on, and one of them is her shoe collection down here. And we're gonna either try to fit it in the closet or just find a way to reorganize everything. There really isn't any one way to declutter. There's 1,000 different theories out there, I think. So I think the best way to do it right now is probably just pull everything out of your closet and start there, and then we'll have a few different bins, probably keep, discard, and then go through later bin, because we are trying to declutter this whole entire room in one day, which is a lot of work, especially if you've never decluttered before. So we're gonna have a bin that she can put some items in if she wants to look through them later, photos and that kind of stuff. So we're starting with 3 just simple laundry baskets, and we're gonna do donate, like think about for later, and then keep.
Should we do one section at a time?
Yeah, let's start let's go right to left.
I don't wear this.
Okay, so donate. Yeah, if
Pretend
you know
that's
for sure.
Yeah. I mean, a lot of this stuff I already think I know. I mean,
Why don't you put them in the maybe?
I like that, okay.
If there is more than one, then you can choose.
Okay.
And we can always revisit the pile again if you think, oh, I have too much still. But see, okay, so this is something that is more sentimental, right?
Yes.
And you're not gonna wear it.
Right, but I don't think it should go in my closet.
Right, so that's what I'm thinking, like, it's more of like a Halloween costume.
No, seriously, her closet is full of like stuff that...
Okay, so I think for items that are something you don't wear ever, right? But you want to keep it, let's find a place for that. Even if you wanted to fold it up and put it in like a memento box for future, you could do that, or hang it, like you said, in your other room.
Well, Nicole's is in there too.
Okay, yeah. So you could do that, but I think let's just keep your closet like a working area that you like constantly
This was another thing that when we came home and I unpacked, it was just like easy
put
to
it
put
in.
Oh my gosh! I've been looking for a nice rain jacket. I didn't know I had that.
So is this something you want to keep as like a memento box?
I think my parents will want this too.
Yeah. So maybe we could make a memento area or box that isn't your closet.
Okay.
And then that way when you move out, you can just have everything ready to go. How are you feeling so far?
Good. We got through a lot on this side, so I already feel really good about it.
One other reason why Rachel is doing this, I'll let you take it away.
Well, because I moved back into my childhood home and my parents' home, my mom is telling me to always like clean up my room and get it organized because I am trying to move out within the year. So my goal here is to consolidate all my stuff from college and my stuff from home and get it into 2 different piles so that it's organized, so when I do move out into my own place, it'll be easier to keep stuff here and move stuff with me.
Wait till the end of the video because we are going to reveal this to Rachel's mom, and we're going to surprise her with the final. Yeah.
This is her birthday, Christmas, and all the gifts combined.
Yay! Let me pull this out. So go through. One thing I'm suggesting to Rachel is she has a lot of items that she wants to keep, but she doesn't need to use daily, so they're more keepsake items. She just told me the story about this this print that her dad got for her. It means a lot, so she's gonna do a little memory box or area where she stores all of that for when you move out, and then you're just ready to go.
Can I keep this too for when I move out?
Of course, whatever you want to keep. I'm not gonna tell you what. I won't tell you what to keep. I promise.
and I'll put it on and I'll be like, oh, that's the reason I had it in 8th grade, because it doesn't fit me anymore.
And one thing that I can add to that, you know, a tip is the more I have decluttered, the more I feel it's like a muscle almost.
Yeah.
And now you might see things as time goes on and say, oh, I never wear that, I'm just gonna get rid of it. Instead of push it to the back.
Well, and that's the thing, like if you would have seen what I kept and all this stuff pushed to the one side, I had not touched. It was all the stuff that you started giving me on the left side that I was like, oh yeah, I wear this, I wear this, I wear this, because I keep it on the same side.
It makes sense.
It's easier. I'm like, I don't want to look at that.
Let me show you the piles she has so far. All of that is going to be donated. We've just figured something out.
So I thought I lost brown boots that I had for years. These are like my really good tall brown boots, and we were going on a trip for Christmas. And I purchased really nice new brown boots because I thought I lost them, but they were in my cluttered closet this entire time.
Uh-oh.
So that's really upsetting.
Find a way to keep these shoes nice and organized.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I'm glad you found them. It's okay. So we're trying to fit all of her shoes back in the closet. We've realized we can move some shelves around and get all the shoes in here. See what shoes fit up there really quick?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna take out this one.
Okay.
For now.
We're starting to organize Rachel's drawers, and we have this shoe box that we cut the lid off. We're gonna use this for her little socks. We're trying to keep them separated from all the other socks. So decluttering is a journey, and you end up learning a whole bunch of stuff about your room and yourself. And one thing we realized is her bed has these drawers underneath, and her whole life that she's had this bed, it's been facing the wrong direction. So the drawers are hard up against the wall where her head goes, and she could never put anything.
2 out of 4 were unusable, and I just thought that was how it was supposed to be.
So we've learned something, and we're gonna flip the bed around so now she can use all the drawers under the bed, and now we have so much more
like
space.
sweaters.
Sweaters. We're just cleaning it real quick, and then we're gonna start organizing everything. Now that we've gone through her entire closet, taken everything out, sorted through it, and cleaned the closet, we're starting to organize things the way she will use them. So we're putting the items that she's gonna use the most where she can get to them really easily. Now we are getting started on her desk and office area. What is your goal for this area?
I'm looking to put like books and stuff more organized and just take all this trash out.
These are all the items that Rachel has decided to donate. What do you think now that it's all done?
Incredible. I feel cleaner, fresher, more organized, everything.
Do you think you can keep it up for a while?
I would definitely keep it this way, like the closet. I mean, I'm sure there'll be stuff on the floor and stuff, but no, I think I definitely can because there's less stuff.
Okay, so
there's less.
We are gonna bring your mom in, but what do you think her reaction?
She's gonna just say, "Oh my gosh," over and over and over.
Oh! Oh my goodness!
The back of the.
Oh my goodness!
Okay, ready?
Oh, I'm scared. Oh my goodness! Look at this!
And then look at the doors.
Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my! All the shoes! Look at this! Oh my gosh!
You go look at what we got rid of.
Oh, oh my gosh!
I know.
I'm in heaven! I'm in heaven!
Make sure you click right here to see how we decluttered over an entire year of decluttering. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!